my earliest memories, I've always been fascinated with design. Design springs from imagination, and humans have the unique ability to see something, a stone or a rock, and imagine it into a tool, an axe or an arrowhead. Some see a tree. I see lumber, boards for a desk or a table. But imagination is not enough. To just think it is not enough. One must get started, get busy, get moving, get building. When you take a concept and turn it into a real product, the sense of accomplishment, the sense of reward, the sense of self-worth is simply unparalleled. The things we create are just that, things. Without knowledge, without the story, there's little meaning. That beautifully chipped arrowhead, without the understanding and the history of who made it, how it was made, and why it was made, it's just a rock. It's the story that gives it life.